Hey guys, welcome to 43 Tips for Network Marketers, where we tip the cash cow of network marketing to fill up your bank account. Hey guys, I want you to pay attention to these garbage cans behind me because I want you to take your employee mindset and throw it in the trash. Throw it in the trash. What does an employee do? They show up, they do the least amount of work so they don't get fired, while the entrepreneur or the owner of the company pays you the least amount of money so you don't leave. That's the truth, guys. So I want you to throw that employee mindset out the window, okay? And I want you to think about being a winner. I want you to think about thinking bigger. I want you to stop thinking small, okay? This income in network marketing, it needs to replace your income of your job, because you guys know what? Every 10 to 12 years or so, the economy crashes. Okay, so 2008, 2009 was the last one. What do you think's coming? What do you think's coming? Some of you are clueless. So you just, patty cake, bake my hand. I'm going to work this business 2 minutes a week, and I wonder why I'm not making money. You guys, you got to put at least 30 minutes to an hour a day into your company. I mean, minimum. Come on. Y'all have that time. I'm outside right now. I already put an hour in, and it's like 6 a.m. or something like that. Okay? So what are you doing? Are you getting up early? Are you improving yourself? So here's some things. I wrote some notes, okay? All right? The crash is coming again, so you better invest in yourself. All right? You better make yourself better. Don't ask for it to be easier. Ask for you to be better, right? Look at this beautiful sun is coming up here. Anyway, quit looking at the rules of your company and trying to figure out what's the easiest way to beat the comp plan. You know, Jack, what do I need to do just to get paid this? What do I need to do just to get this? How many customers do I need to have just to maintain this? How many this? How many that? You know what? While everybody's trying to figure out a way to mess up the comp plan and do the least they can do, and stacking pennies, I'm out crushing it and putting hundreds in my banks and thousands. So stop looking at the rules. Just get it done. Activity beats all rules. Just crush it. Just get out there. Get rid of that employee mindset of trying to do the least amount of work so you don't get kicked out. You can't get kicked out here. So what's the big deal? All right? Start 30 minutes a day, every day. You know, if you need to know how to find people in other states, get with someone who's doing that. You know, Jack, there's not any people in my area. You know, get with people that are making it happen in other states that they don't live in. All right? Increase your skills. Ask questions, guys. I need you all to think bigger than what you're thinking right now. My gosh, look at this. I don't even think you can see it, but there's a lot of fog out there. You can't even see it in this. It does no justice here. But guys, I just wanted to come live and let you know you got to think bigger than an employee, because the crash is coming. You need this income to be big so you don't have to worry about your job income. Your job income should be just extra income. Let me say that again. Your job or your day business should just be extra income. What happens if you're out of work for 90 days, 120 days? Are you okay? Are you? Think about it. What if you can't even do anything in your business for 120 days? Are you okay? So guys, I want you to think big and get out of that employee mindset.